Hello everybody, welcome to the Helium Addict channel. So today I decided to make you this video again. This is the fifth time that I make this video. I make it, I delete it, I make it, I delete it. It just took me a while because there is a lot of information I must to share with you, but I'm confused how to share it with a long video, short video. Some of you they want a lot of things from me, but I cannot do this, guys. It's very hard for me to edit videos, simple as that. So if you are a new viewer, welcome to the Helium Addict. I highly recommend to check my playlist. Like this you will understand very easily, and you find all the videos that you need here. If you, after you watch everything that you want, start to ask questions if you still have questions, because look, I make a lot of videos, I cover a lot of subject. Definitely if you watch carefully you will find me I already answer your question. No further ado, today I want to show you the follow-up for my previous video. If you are my previous viewer, go to check this video. If you are not, in my playlist, like I always recommend, go to my playlist. I make 3 miners in one location. This is a follow-up, and they have some updates about this setup. Basically here, theoretically, I show you the part that you will need to make this setup. After I go, I install it, but I not make a follow-up in the finished product how it look like. I show you that I need antenna, connector, amplifier, antenna holder, antenna, basically even to hold the antenna to this mast. LMR 400, not the flexible one, because the flexible one he lose 50% of his efficiency. This one is the original LMR 400 from MC McGill microwave, and he have like 85% efficiency, so you will not lose so much to this cable, and it's just 4 meters. Here is supposed to be 3 miners, 3-way splitter, and DC injector, and here I explain how to power everything. Go watch the video to understand. Today I show you a follow-up. Basically in this setup I will show you, I already shared these photos in advance. I posted them 5 days ago. I already yesterday make 5 videos. Now I'm trying to make again. This is another third chance. Basically this is my setup to my host. 3 outdoor enclosure. You will tell me why 3. This I put my miners with the 3-way splitter and this injector. Here I host my electronics. You will tell me which electronics. This one, POA switch, the power source. Look how thick the cable that I choose. Like this, he have this setup. He not require so much electricity, but I go with the outdoor electrical cable, and we have a thick copper wires, not aluminium wire, to bring me stable current and stable internet, because I get my internet from electricity basically with the power line. So this power line, they are sensitive, they bring you high quality speed internet, but they need high quality copper lines to work properly. So I invest money and I buy the right thing for my setup. If you want to copy me, I already made videos. Check my playlist. I show you step by step every part that you need to copy my setup. Here basically the outdoor enclosure, this is IP54. This is the best what I find in Amazon.de. It's not American Amazon, this is from Germany. So we are not lucky enough like the American, we not have every single product, but this is the best what I could find at that moment. Okay, I use 2 Ethernet cable. Usually I use only Cat 8. Only in this setup I use this, which allows me, basically this is the right length that I needed. They come with this device. I think they are Cat 7 if I'm not wrong. The rest is everything Cat 8, but the Cat 8 I have long cables or too much short cables from Cat 8, so it doesn't worth it to buy even extra. Okay, this is the final product, and everything basically we will clean. It was a bad weather, When I install, always I install in bad weather. My lock with Helium setup, always in bad weather. Unfortunately, here everything will be cleaned, and we will put an outdoor couch. Basically, everything will be covered in his balcony. Nothing will be see it. You will see just one LMR black cable going behind the wall. Okay, you want to tell me how still look this? I show you in the photos, now I show you in quick video. Basically here I was speaking with my host. I already made the video, but I didn't share it. Look how long. It was ready in 2nd March, but I didn't want to share it for personal reasons. I'm very proud about this setup. Everything stable, everything with zip ties and Velcro. As you can see, Velcro, you not see it. It's industrial Velcro. I go watch the video. This one is very strong. Look, everything I use Velcro. When you put something, it's really stable. This is very important for your setup. Any electronics, they need to be stable. No rattling, nothing go loose. And I use the cut 8 with the, how to say, the golden plate, because they will not rust in the future. Because here you will be in humidity, warm, cold. These things, they will rust, the cheap ones. But the high quality, always they will stay. No rusting, no nothing. So you are building something that he will work 24/7, guys. Helium miner, they work non-stop. So they need stable internet and high quality materials. I know helium is not cheap, but if you want to install one time, knock on the wood, never visited, this is the way how to do it. And it will be even easy for you how to find how to say, to troubleshoot the problem if you have problem in the future. But if you install it like I show you, knock on the wood, you will never get a problem. Look, very thick cable. This is just quick and dirty way to film it. This is the second box. I host the 3 miners. Like you know, I have rack V2 miners. Each miner, he have his own PoE cable, Ethernet cable. I have as you know, this is a PoE switch that I show you, okay? He give me internet and power. If you not watch my videos, go check them. He give me internet and power, okay? And here I use a PoE switch splitter, which mean he give me 5 volt to power the miner and Ethernet cable to power the miner. Okay? 1, 2, 3 miners. And I Velcro every single thing. They are rattle free. If you carry this box and shake him as hard as you want, nothing will rattle. Very proud about this setup. Look, even this stuck to the wall of the box, nothing moving. Because with the electronics, you don't want nothing to move, especially with connectors. You will lose signal, you will shorter things, and you burn your expensive setup. I always check, double check, three time check connectors, nothing loose. See? Everything. Here I use 3-way splitter directly connected to the RF card. If you not watch how to connect them directly, check my playlist. I show you. I use the IPX cable to SMA male. Basically, I connect from the RF card or the concentrator of my miner directly to the 3-way splitter. Like this, you will have very minimum dB loss when you use this short cable as possible. And here the DC injector. You tell me how DC injector look like. Basically already, yeah, I use this one from Jet Vision. Is the best DC injector for helium miners in the market. Basically he's made for well, if you don't know the FLARM booster company, basically the Jet Vision, you are missing a lot. This company, she make product for airplanes or drones and stuff like this. But lately, thanks to Shireen, they switched to make product even for helium. They make amplifiers now made for helium. Okay? But they make them very, very expensive, unfortunately. But they make high quality product. This is the DC injector. This is the teardown. I make it for you and I posted a few days ago. I didn't want to make a video because the photos, it's already enough. Look how he look inside. Very neat. Not so complicated. This is how to power him with micro USB cable. It's just beautiful. You connect this side to the miner and this side to, basically this is the entry. This is he go to the splitter, and from here he go to your LMR 400 or directly to your antenna, or basically to the amplifier first after antenna. I hope you understand me. This is the one, and you tell me how you power him. I already explained in this video, like I said, go watch him. But here, like I tell you, I have 4 cables in my POA switch. One for first miner, second miner, third miner, and the 4th one to power the DC injector. So I use here, he give me Ethernet plus power. In the end I use a POA switch, and the POA switch like this, a splitter, POA splitter, sorry. I cut him and I replace him with micro USB cable, and like this he have a stable 5 volt. I could take 5 volt from this miner, but like I said, I always give each miner on each device in my setup his own internet and his own power. This is the ultimate setup, guys. I'm not showing you half setup, half-ass setup like the Americans say. This is the right way how to power everything, to be sure that he have his high-speed internet, his stable and current DC power. Like this, everything will run smoothly as possible. He have his new SD card, everything. He should be smoothly. It costs you more, but your setup works smoothly. Because if you go cheap, nothing will run smoothly, and every day you're supposed to make $15, $100, it depends how good your location. You will recover this money quickly, but if you go cheap on your setup, you are losing a lot of money. It means you are losing a lot of HNT. When you are losing a lot of HNT, this is a game of time. More you make a better setup, more you have a chance to mine more HNT. And now you are able to make 1 HNT per day if you are in perfect area. Tomorrow you will not be able, or next week you will not. You come a new update, they reduce even more your power. You will not be able, you will make 0.5. After another week you will make 0.3. Imagine you go cheap. You will start with 0.1 for the first day. You know what I'm saying? More you invest on your setup, more you will get better reward. You will make it harder to recover your money, but if you are a believer in helium, hold your HNT coins and sell them when the price is high, and there you will ROI on everything in one time with even profit. The good news is, here unfortunately we broke the amplifier, this one. We end up broken it. Yes, he back to the stock and it's $500, and no, I don't recommend him. Not because it's bad amplifier, because with this price it doesn't worth it to buy it. I don't have any problem with this company. They have great customer service and everything, but the price, hell no. Better to buy another miner from eBay, from a scalper or something like that, then you buy amplifier, because doesn't worth it with this price. Okay, I don't correct. And please, if you want to buy amplifiers from AliExpress, please buy a cavity filter with them. Don't buy any amplifier from China without a good cavity filter. I remember this is a little bit off topic, but it's very important. You are hurting yourself, so he will not bring you good earning without filtration. And because the cheap amplifiers, they will give you noise. They have a high noise figure, and with the high noise figure, That means you are boosting noise to your neighbors and to yourself. So you are making less earnings and you make your area noisy, like a highway. Too much noise in your area, and or your miners next to you, they will less earning. So you are hurting yourself and your area. Just be careful when you use this extra electronic stuff. Okay? I hope you understand me. Okay, let's continue. As you can see, plug and play, power it on, everything, the light is properly, everything have his power, everything it's, as you can see, pigtail. Use high quality pigtail as possible. This is from Shireen ink pigtail. It's very decent. They give it to me with the two-way splitter. It's very, very good pigtail. Here from the box, it comes the Alamar 400, not the flexible one, like I said. And here antenna holder, I use the metal one. I bend it a little bit. He have a plastic cap here. I make it too much tight. I even bend a little bit the metal. Imagine if you have an aluminum one. They was not supposed to rust, but they will be, I believe they are not perfect for antenna, for heavy antennas. For one reason, because here the metal I already overbend it. Imagine the aluminum. You will be easily, you will bend him. Maybe it's just me. I was too aggressive with it. And yeah, I put multi oil here just to not rust. I highly recommend to put some oil on the screws to not rust your setup, and always look nice, not dirty with the rust. And here the 9 dB McGill, and here the antenna is supposed to come the amplifier, but unfortunately we end up breaking it. My hose did not hold the antenna, so I end up to put N-type male to SMA male, another type of connector, and the LMR 400, because I bought the LMR 400 SMA male to SMA male. It was prepared to be connected directly to the LMR, to the amplifier. But when there is no amplifier, you will need connectors to make this work. Yeah, this is sad side, but the good side, we test everything without amplification. So this video is not for result, like I said. This video only to show you how I'm setting up everything without amplifier. And I forgot here when I was a little bit, as you can see, you will tell me, but why you use the DC? So we was planning to put the amplifier, but we broke it. So I forgot to remove this DC. He will not hurt. He will reduce like 0.5 dBi, yes, but I forgot to remove him. And I didn't want to ask my host go remove, because he have no idea how these things how to function. So I tell you know what, don't touch it, leave it over there. It's running perfectly, knock on the wood. Now I will make you another video to explain you only the result and the earnings. Okay, this is just a follow-up how the setup is finished. Okay, I will make you another video immediately. Some of you, they are interested just in the earnings, so I will make a video only speak about that, the earnings. Here I show you a follow-up how the setup 3 ways, 3 miners with 3-way splitter with DC injection look like in the real world. Okay, and yeah, this is how I already make a video about this. Go watch it. It's half hour. I explain everything. You can use an outdoor enclosure to use the 2-way splitter from Shireen Inc. in this situation, but I show you even better 2-way splitter than this with the amplifier inside the outdoor enclosure with 2 rack miners. Yeah, it's just beautiful. But like I tell you, I already removed this setup. I did it for testing reason, like I tell you. After I remove them, and I upgrade to 3 miners in one location. But luckily now we find, I don't know if I mentioned this or no, because I make 7 times this video, so some things maybe I forgot to say because I think I already said them, so hopefully I not forget. So the good news, one of my viewers, he offered me his location to put 1 miners, and after few days he contact me again, and his cousin is looking to make the second miner in his location. I thought perfect for me, so my house in the end he will end up with 1. But if he not want to accept it, because I already make this just to make my house satisfy, I will end up with no miners to him. I will bring it to my home and I make more videos from it, and this is it until I find another host. Okay, this is the quick video that I'm supposed to make for you. I will make you another one now to speak about the result about each miner. Okay, see you in the next part. Bye.